everyone, my name is Maitreyi Thorat. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you guys the speech that made me the head girl. So I had this was the speech that I had written for the post of head girl. In our student council, there were 4 rounds of selection. First one was the form scrutiny, where we were given a form to fill and we had to attach our resume along with it. Then the second round was the speech. Third, the panel interview, and the fourth, the interview with principal. For the 4th round, only candidates for head girl, head boy, vice head girl and vice head boy would go. The rest of the captains के लिए the last round was the panel interview itself. So in every round, students were getting eliminated and a few students were going forward. So I think for the post of head girl, 15 to 20 girls had applied, and for the interview with principal, it was 3 of us, alright? So here is how the speech goes. I had written it on a piece of paper like this 1 day prior because I had an MUN prior to that. We were supposed to memorize the speech. We were not allowed to refer to something on the stage. So here it goes. What does it take to truly be a leader? Well, let me show you. A very warm good afternoon to one and all present here, honorable judges, respected teachers and my fellow students. I stand before you today, presenting discipline, clarity, and action. My name is Maitreyi Sandeep Thorat, and I have applied for the post of head girl and Jaguar House captain. Coming from an armed forces background, I've studied in about 5 schools across India's coastal beauties. Now you may wonder, well, why does that matter? It matters because each and every school has added to my vast catalogue of ideas and insights, all of which are necessary to know how to handle different situations at school. I've gotten the opportunity to meet new students, new teachers, new systems, and vast problems and their vast solutions. I've learned adaptability, observance, and leadership skills. But what about the one most important quality that just cannot be missing? Discipline. I've been an academic achiever throughout my school years, and in class 10th, I scored an aggregate of 97%. That was not by chance. It was due to sheer discipline, dedication, and consistency. I am also a confident public speaker and orator, not just in class, but I've won multiple speeches and allocutions over the years. So, whether it comes to representing our school, or voicing a student who may feel unheard, or standing up for the righteous, I assure you, I am the right match. I do not stand before you today merely for a badge, but do so because I can confidently promise that I will own up to every single responsibility that comes with it. I am willing to serve the school and its people to my best capacity. Whether it is accountability or approachability, I will be there. Whenever any teacher or any student needs help, again, I'll be there. And most of all, grounded. That's who I am and who I always will be. I will be a role model for academic excellence and most of all discipline, so that students are not forced to follow discipline but are motivated to do so. I must say that I've always given my all in for things that I truly love and respect. And today, I stand before you feeling that same love, same respect, and same fire. So we can all imagine what happens when a board disciplined and dedicated person goes all in. And that's exactly what I'm willing to do. So if our school is looking for a head girl who is extremely diligent, disciplined, focused, hardworking, and grounded, then congratulations, you just found her. That was my time. I would like to thank each and everyone for listening so diligently. This is me, Maitreyi Thorat, signing off. Thank you. So that was my speech. Now some tips and tricks for when you give your speech. See, the panel judges you on various aspects. Some of them include confidence, impact, your leadership skills, your discipline, how you've turned up, are you in proper uniform or not, Trust me, that also is very important. So when you go for your speech, first and foremost, make sure you're in proper turnout. Your uniform should be ironed, clean, neat. Your hair should be properly tied and clipped, and you should just look extremely presentable and disciplined. Second, during your speech, you have to be and you have to reflect, confidence. It should come from inside of you. I understand you may feel a bit nervous. It's very normal and natural, but everyone feels nervous. Trust me, even I did. My mic was literally shaking. But you have to pull yourself together. Come in with the mindset that you're the best. You can do it. You've come here because you're worth it. All right? Be fresh. If any mistakes during your speech happen, handle it with a lot of grace. Gracefully make up for it. Do not look nervous, because that the panel does not want a nervous head girl or head boy. Okay, so don't look nervous. You should be confident. The panel should see that you are capable of addressing the entire school. All right, you have to have that in you. You should have that quality in you. For that, you have to be confident and keep I'm the best. Most importantly, your speech should be really impactful. So you see, impact, I covered that in my last part of the speech. That is what stayed with the students and the panel. They remembered nothing else. They don't, but that. All right, and your speech should basically be dhakad. That's the word my teacher used for my speech. When I asked her, ma'am, how was it? She said it was dhakad. That's exactly how it should be. But mind it, there is a difference in the attitude during your speech or pitching and your interview. All right, you are supposed to be extremely humble, and you should be humble. You don't want to be in the sky. Okay, so yeah, I'll cover that up in my videos where I discuss the entire student council experience, and we can get back to that. If you're watching this video, I assume that you might be planning to apply for the student council, and I really hope whichever position you've applied for, you get it.